national origin and ethnicity. So the next one is internal diversity. So go ahead.
External diversity means things that are related to a person or characteristic are not worthy when the person that can easily influence and control like us.
So external diversity, in external diversity, we can control dito sa mga sa kaning external na dinadto sa mapilita makabuot-buot ka programa. But kining sa external diversity, pwede na itong mapili kung sa itong mga ganahan. So for example, education. Pwede na itong mapili kung sa itong ganahan sa course education. And also sa itong experience, we can choose our experience asa yung mas prepare na ito, asa may mas dagat na rin na ito. And also religion. Ang religion, hindi yung dapat yung mag-stay na sa religion din. Ano na yung iba na mas ganahan ka sa pinagpagdala na to, so makikita. And also, relationship status. Pwede ba kayo natin makapangyari yun? Ang relationship status. Actually, ito siya sa external diversity because tao, kaya ng single. Pwede ka itong masubak ko naman ang pwede na mga natin. Kung ilawag sa tingnan. Okay, wala na siya, external diversity. And the third one is the organizational diversity.
Wala na po na luwa.
Relates to the differences between people that are assigned to them by an organization essentially.
Wala na po na luwa.
Okay. Ang organizational diversity, it relates to the difference between people that are assigned to them by organization or ini siya, part siya pa sa itong tapang pagaling na natay mga butang like if we are gago lang na, so syempre may trabaho sa kanan. So for example, job functions. Job functions is outline position and main task is responsibility, providing a detailed overview of an employment or activities. So, pwede po na siya sa organizational diversity. And also, an employment status and management status. So, the last one is worldview diversity. Worldview diversity, the last type of diversity is usually factors that you observe, you feel, you experience, that shape our world views. So, kining world view diversity is ano siya kung mapasok kong malibot na for example, our culture. So, mana siya itong adapt, mana siya itong makita ko. So, sama din sa Pilipinas na may culture. And also, history knowledge and politics. So now let's move on. I want to show you the diversity wheel. So this is the diversity wheel. Lawrence and Rosefield diversity wheel. Lawrence and Rosefield diversity wheel. So the first one is the court. In the court, we have here the physical abilities and characteristics, spiritual belief, gender, class, age, race, sexuality, income, and ethnicity. So, ang dili sa akong makita diri sa court diversity, hay siya, di ba? Hay siya. Kay ako na yung mga so, for you to know who is Claudette and Rosner, so here they are. Marilyn Claudette is the American writer. There, ano siya. And then, Posner is a professor at graduating school in the University of California. So they made a book. In 1991, Loren and Rosen published a book that titled Workforce America, Managing Employee Diversity as a Vital Resource. In this book, the original version of the diversity wheel was introduced. So, ini siya, kung ano yung mga diversity lang muna ng diversity wheel, mga ilang nalaman. So, in America, so, dato makita nyo na itong a lot of white people always discriminate the black people, right? And, for example, there is a black people na sa kaso, but ilagay mo sa yung accuse na sa iwag ko din ayaw. Tapos sila katulo, kung saan yun na siya kapagkatao. So, Loden recognized the demand for an instrument that will help people understand better how group-based and different influence people's identity. So, she Loden, she said that I want to identify the difference to make a major difference. She explains to show which dimensions of diversity are important in people's lives. Acknowledge their power so that people who want to talk about them will be supported by the model. So, Loden made a book for us to know dito itong pasagan o ganang mo gamatang istorya o dyan sa tao. Nilabay, the time goes by, si Loden, he made a decision to make a book. So, and in the last 20 years, so si Loden, gama siya, ga-upgrade siya sa ilang libro. This may theory, si Loden, gumit siya o research na guy, then iyabantin nga, kung natagay kulang or walang sa tasawa. So, in the last 20 years, the global context for business and the workplace has become much more clear. So, yan ang yan di mas ipinasayon, di pa mas madaling masaktan ng mga katong ang ganan niyang ipapadala sa mga tao. And to help people make diversity discussion more relevant in a global context, Marilyn Loden decided to model and needed to an update. So that's why si Marilyn Loden namin nabilin, siya namin ipadayon. And Marilyn Loden said that I think diversity discussions are really understanding for our social identities, acknowledging what is important and learning to integrate into a society so that no subgroup will exclude or down. So, alis ako ko niya nga ligamak na kaning book is mas nakulang na build or mas na nanay na ito po na dili na nila ang mensahe kung gusto niya itong mga tao din na pwede na lockdown. Like, lang, makita naman ito nga, ang Amerika, di na kayo sila mawas ng mga people. So, in their iterations of the model, alam ko ba sa muli?
Iterations of the model. C. Gordon Schwartz and Anita Rowe, diversity consultant, changed the original language of core and secondary diversity dimensions to internal and external dimension. They also added 2 additional concentric circles, personality and organizational dimensions. Adding factors like personal habits as an external dimension of a person's social identity. Renamed the model called the 4 layers of diversity.
So, ang sa 4 layers of diversity, mo siya kaning upat na sa itong band support. So, Loden's advice for using the model. Loden's piece of advice before using the model is to open up the diversity conversations so that everyone at the table can identify with someone's dimension. So, si Loden's is nagban siya na dili kailangan siyang makabalo ang makabalo sa mga tao. So, the diversity will is useful in explaining how group-based differences contribute to individual identities. Loden's difference defines the four principles: the respect, inclusion, cooperation, and responsibility, or the RICR. So, ano siya? Diversity wheel, ang bago nilang nagama. So, muna siya ang personality. So, the next layer is the internal dimension. So, sa internal dimension, there ang age, gender, race, ethnicity, physical abilities, and sexual orientation. And the next layer, ang internal dimension. Sa internal dimension, susunod na doon na geographic, location, income, personal habits, etc. Then, the last layer is the organizational dimension. So, today ang workplace, seniority, work content field, and organization status. So, muna siya ang ilang bago na naman. Muna yung kailangan ipakuha ni Loden's na amin na ito magdala. So, kini siya ang diversity wheel adopted for Marilyn Loden in 1996. So, here, nandito ang ethnicity and age. So, ang ethnicity and age is the core of a person. Then, sila pong sunod, religion ng belief, gender, possibility, sexual orientation. Ano siya, still core but it can change. So, next one. So, muna siya pa mga layer. So, dali mo siya income, integration, social class, role in the family, first language, skill, and so, ako na niya. So, kanang nila sa kadawang layer, muna siya mga life experience that makes us different. And the next one is muna siya paano ito sa pagbalibag na mga harassment, mga stereotypes, discrimination, mga prejudice. So, ganun sila, there are the factors that make society unequal. So, balik kanina, di ba, naman ito'y iba nilang respect, inclusion, cooperation, and responsibility. So, the four principles are respect, inclusion, cooperation, and responsibility, or the RICR. So, kaya siya, gipanan nila sa akong panahon na 1996. Respect is treat others the way they wish to be treated. The next one is inclusion. Making a certain everyone on your team is truly a part of team decision making process. The next one is cooperation. Actively helping others succeed rather than competing, attempting to one-up someone. The last is responsibility. Managing personal behavior to maintain diversity positive environment and questioning the inappropriate behavior in the courts. So, wala siya ang kabahay sa diversity wheel. So, nasab ka na ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so, before nung magpapamo, yung manol ay banat siya ulit.
Ito na. Butiko. Kung nga sabi kayo.
Dito lagi.
Okay, so number one. What are the four types of
Pikay. Pikay.